Hello, this is Matt Doctor from itechnews.gr and itgeekphone.com. Today we are going to see one more robotic vacuum cleaner from ILIFE. Till now I have showed you two, and this is the third one. I have to say that I am very pleased from the vacuum cleaners that ILIFE has created, and from GearBest, since all of them I have them from this e-shop. Today we're going to see one more of the series V. It's V5 ILIFE. It's a robotic vacuum cleaner with a goldish light gold color and with very good specs. Now this is the box, so we're going to open it. So here it is, ILIFE. Here are the manuals, a quick start guide, the user manual, and guarantee card, I guess, warranty card. So this is the robotic vacuum cleaner. We have here two brushes in order to change the one that the vacuum cleaner has. One brush for cleaning, docking station for charging, two filters which you can change them if the other one gets dirty and you cannot clean them. Here is the cable with a charger and a EU adapter. It was outside the box, but you can find it inside, and it comes with a remote control, as you can see. And batteries are included, and here is for mopping. This is for the mopping. So let's open now the vacuum cleaner. So this is how it opens. Here is, it doesn't need any bag. It collects all the dirt inside here. Here it's the filter. From here goes inside in the dirt. For powering up, and here is for cleaning. This is for the dirt. Here it says ILIFE robotic vacuum cleaner, only used with this supply from China, model V5. So let's put it and see it in action. So let's turn it on. You see it's blinking. As you can see, if it finds any obstacle, it avoids it, it stops. Anything that is dirt is collected. if it understands an obstacle, it slows down. With a remote control you can set various actions to do. You can find it at GearBest from the EU warehouse from where I got it at a very good price. I really recommend the use of these robotic vacuum cleaners, as they really help inside the house, keeping it clean. So this is from my doctor, an ILIFE V5 vacuum cleaner for itechnews.gr and igeekphone.com. Bye.